Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 12 modals will, may, must. Okay, so if you have not watched the other chapters, okay, so you can here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist sections and also watch. Okay, so here read the dialogue below and notice how the modals will, may and must have been used. Ayush, Rasi, look at this notice in the newspaper. The electricity bill will be, okay, will. The electricity supply will continued from 4 to 5 p.m. Some high voltage service line will repaired during that time. We are sorry for the trouble you may face during that hour. We will miss the inauguration of the World Cup. Will. Rasi, we must plan something. Shall we go? To here shall. To the Uncle Suresh place. They may have electricity at that time. Good idea. We will do that. We must. So here you can find the modal verb may, shall, must, will are used in different purposes. So you know there are different functions of using the shall, may, must and also might. Okay, so we have to use here according to the mood of the sentence. So here use the correct modal to complete the sentences. Okay, you can also use the short form. Teacher, we dash do something new today. We will. Okay, we will. One of you will. Okay, so here also will. Start a story. Then each student will take turns. Okay, will. To add a sentence, we will complete the story that way. Okay, will here. Tinu, that sounds fun. I will start. Would you do the same exercise every day? Okay, would. Teacher, no Tinu, we will play new games every day. Okay, we will. I dash think of a new one for tomorrow. I will think of a new one for tomorrow. Then next here, use the correct modals in the sentences below. The clues in the brackets will help you. So here, I dash not come to your house. So you know small possibility means you can use your might. So just take an example. It may rain tonight. Okay, it may rain tonight. Okay, it might rain tonight. It might rain tonight. So what is the difference? You know here it may. That means here we use may for possibility. Okay, but might is used for small possibility. If we consider may here 50%. Okay, so here might can be considered as less than 10%, or we can also call almost 0. Might. Okay, so this is small possibility might. Okay, then next here, there are dark clouds in the sky. So here possibility. Okay, it may rain soon. Dash I go now? Asking permission. Okay, may I go now? The principal dash agree with their plan. Small possibility. Small possibility means might. Teacher, it's 10 o'clock. You dash start writing your test now. Giving permission. Okay, you may. Clear? Then next here, state the functions of must not in the sentences below. So here, you must clean up after you finish playing. So this is order. So here the function of must is used to give order. The phone is ringing. It must be my father. So to express a conclusion. Okay, it must be my father. One must be fit and strong to take up mountaineering. To express a necessity. Okay, necessity. You must talk politely to your elder. Must means to give a strong order. Okay, you must talk politely to elders. The doorbell is ringing. That must be my friend. So here this is the function. Must is to express a conclusion. Okay, clear? Then next here, use the correct modals in the sentences below. Add not where necessary. So here, you dash never hurt animals. They feel pain just as we do. So we must never. You dash run fast without a good. You should not. Okay, you should not. You dash buy a good pair. You must buy a good pair. You know that is the necessity. You dash find butterflies here anymore since these houses are built. You know, you can write here. Okay, you can also add here will not or might. Okay, you might find, that means you can, you know, this is very small possibility, or you will not find, you can use both here. We are in for a storm. Okay, so here there will be a power cut. Okay, then next, dash you go home now, will you? Okay, here will you go home now or later? I dash like to stay till later as I have something to discuss with you. I would like to. Okay, I would like to. Then next here, you dash be able to help me. You would be able to help me. Okay, then next year, no one dash waste time. Time is most valuable. Yes, so you know, one should not. That means no one should waste time. Then next year, what? Okay, what do? What can I? You can write what can I do for you? Okay, you can write here can. Shall can be used here. Okay, what shall I do for you? What can I do for you? Then next year, I did not believe the stranger at first, but he may be right. Okay, he may be right. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.